there were any doubts whether the Bank of Canada would raise interest rates this week, those concerns were put to rest after inflation data came in weaker than expected last week. On Wednesday, the central bank is widely expected to leave the overnight rate unchanged at 5%. The odds of a rate hike in the swaps market plummeted last week after September inflation was surprisingly softer. Even the odds of a hike at the December meeting are now significantly lower, which suggests the BoC could be done for the year, or we've hit a peak in the interest rate cycle. In the US, we're set to get an advance estimate on Q3 real GDP. If forecasts are accurate, the world's biggest economy is showing no signs of slowing down. Annualized growth is expected to be 4.1%. That compares to 2.1% growth in Q2. This is an early reading that will get revised a few times, but for those looking for signs of a recession, it shows acceleration instead. It's a big week in US earnings with tech giants reporting. Alphabet and Microsoft released results on Tuesday, followed by Meta Platforms on Wednesday, and then Amazon on Thursday. Alphabet's cloud sales will boost Q3 earnings thanks to generative AI. Time spent on its search page is expected to increase with the launch of its search generative experience. YouTube ads and subscriptions could see double-digit growth in the second half. Smartphone market share could also see gains with the launch of its new Pixel phone. For Microsoft, its cloud computing platform Azure's outlook for Q2 will be key in Q1 results. OpenAI runs on Azure, and given strong interest in the technology, any guidance on sales growth will be closely watched. Operating margins and the outlook for 2024 will be other key metrics. Meta's ad pricing, which has been falling for the past 6 quarters, will be something to watch for. Reels increased impressions on Instagram and Facebook, but engagement growth may plateau in the near term. Reality Labs' losses will be in focus, along with gains from its new chatbots. Amazon's price target has been lowered by some analysts ahead of Q3 results, but the buy rating hasn't changed. September could have been more challenging for cloud spending, but its market cap still hit $1.3 trillion US last month. The focus will be on recovery of web services business. Ad revenue could continue to grow at a 20% pace. That's Advisor Lookahead for this week. For more news and information, check out globeadvisor.ca.